Yeah, I go by the name of Don Dizzle, CEO, president, in charge. Nasty Hustler Records, we here, baby. 2012, baby. We in the game. You can't turn your backs on us now. All you gotta do is turn up and listen. Patty cake, give Dizzle the throne. Run with it, I'm in my zone. Nigga, I'm fresh and I fit it. Ready out to go get it, and I'm shitting on anyone that cross me. I'm more than the boss G. I paid my dues, I did it costly. Getting dough real fresh like Sara Lee. Stay in stock, getting product from the bakery. I see you watching, now I ain't gonna slip, nigga. I'm here, I ain't gonna wear quick, nigga. I got my hands on it like it was some big tits. I'm a prick, but don't call me a misfit. Keep my name out your mouth like lipstick. Like Diddy said, no business. In my crew, we are all writers. NHK lifers forever.
Drew, here's the tissue, you got the sickest rhymes. Alien swag, put that shit in District 9. Nobody can relate, cause I got a different sign. Only 17-year-old out with a different mind. Y'all addicted to my dope shit, sniffing lines. I'm a rebel to this culture, misfit life. Yeah, I'm talking all black, everything. Married to the game, but that bitch don't get a wedding ring. So no divorce papers, I adore haters. They my motivation to get me more papers. I ain't playing around, this ain't no playground. Word of advice, I suggest that you stay down. My weed stay loud, these haters stay frown. And my fans help Drewski stay found. Now everybody looking for me. Waldo, Nasty Hustlers crew to the top is where we all go.
Beast in the building, so I eat the beat up. NHR in the building, who gonna beat us? Nobody, y'all need to stop playing. We the best, I'm just saying. Now why watch the throne when I would rather take it? I'm the rightful heir to the seat, don't mistake it. You know the name, I.Scott. I'm fly, so I stay up on the top. The wings of an angel, the face of a god. The heart of a demon has just been unlocked. Now the question is, how you gonna manage when the beast comes in and starts doing damage? They can't stand it, like how is he only 17? The things I've seen, you wouldn't even believe in a dream. But they've only pushed me harder to get the green. End of the day, I kick my feet up and have some coffee with my cream.
I'm King Handsome, so watch me take the throne. Getting money is too easy to kill birds with one stone. They say why you smoke a lot, cause my weed is homegrown. Go live formation, boy I'm hot, red zone 760, nigga where I touch down. And if I'm in your city, best believe it's going down. Down like Frazier, down like your paper. I keep the bullshit to the side like a taper. Wings on my back, young nigga on the rise. If life give you limits, then you make lemon pies. Like skies at night, talking to the most high. You know we the shit, no time to reply. I don't like these other rappers, can you give me a remind? Been here for a minute, now I'm taking what's mine. And you can't trust these niggas, too much fear inside. Whoever said I wasn't hot, he a goddamn lie.
Yeah, I think you know my name. You should know my name. One hand on the blunt, one hand on the Bible. I swear I'm the truth, nigga, no denial. I'm not Michael, I'm more like Malcolm or Morrison if he made a hip-hop album. Fuck the volume, I'm already turned up. EMCs, their whack swag, I burp up. Your girl slurp up, I tell the chick herb up. I gotta get this money before my turn's up. I burn fucks, you get served up, word up. I blow perp up, kush murked up. Walk up in the label like, bitch, ain't you heard us? HD shit from the dirt, bruh. I'm BVBEST SB, cold flow from my lefty. I'm too right, but I'm nice, listen twice. Y double E NHR, get it right.